there, welcome back. So, have you ever been stuck at an airport, sitting at the gate, waiting on a delayed flight and information that never comes?
I get a little stressed out.
Oh, it's brutal.
The gate agent isn't talking. You have no idea if the delay will be 20 minutes or 2 hours. All you're getting is crickets. Then your brain goes full drama. Am I going to miss my connecting flight? Is it engine trouble? Do I have time to use the rest? Should I go get a sandwich now or should I stay here and fire up a movie on my phone? Then, finally,
For passengers on Flight 909, your aircraft is en route and should arrive here in approximately 60 minutes.
still, it's frustrating. You have to wait another hour. But weirdly, you feel better. Why? Because now you know. You've got certainty. You've got options. You've got agency. You know how to spend the next 30 minutes.
You're right.
Now, here's the wild part. That same psychological reaction happens every single day in customer interaction.
Following you, can you give me an example?
Like when a customer walks into a store or dials into a helpline or checks in an office or sits down at a table in a restaurant and no one acknowledges, no one makes eye contact, no one even says hello.
It's the worst, right?
Well, the brain reacts the exact same way it does at the airport gate. It goes into panic mode.
I see where you're going with this.
Here's why. The brain is a prediction machine, and it's constantly scanning the environment, asking, what's happening? What's coming next? Am I safe? Am I going to be okay? Do I need to prepare? Should I panic? When there's no clear cue, no acknowledgement, no update, the brain flags that uncertainty as a threat. Now, it's not a tiger chasing you kind of threat, but it's more like a something's off. I don't feel good about this. But even that small threat triggers the amygdala, the brain's alarm system, and it fires up emotional discomfort, stress, and irritation because it produces stress hormones.
Well, we've all been there.
And what happens then? You're no longer just waiting. Now you're in a negative headspace. You're evaluating, you're judging. You're wondering if I'm being ignored on purpose? Is anybody going to come?
Won't you please help me?
Now here's the good news. That emotional spiral can be stopped in just seconds.
I gotta hear this.
All it takes is a simple acknowledgement, a glance, a nod, a genuine smile. A, hey there, I see you. I'll be right there.
That is so cool.
That micro moment sends a new message to the brain. Now you're seen, you're safe, help is on the way.
Wow. Right?
This works whether you're in retail, tech support, healthcare, hospitality, or you're just running your kid's soccer snack table. Acknowledgement is not about solving the problem. It's about soothing the nervous system. And even if you've missed the initial moment, like even if someone's already irritated or feeling blown off, you can still turn it around.
Wait, what are you saying?
Just own it. Be human, be honest, reassure, and recover. Hey, I know I've kept you waiting, and I am so sorry, but I am here now, and I'm going to make up for it. That kind of emotional intelligence can transform a tense moment into a loyalty-building experience. So the next time someone's waiting, whether it's in line, in a lobby, in your inbox, whatever it is, because whether you're serving burgers or sitting behind a customer service desk, acknowledgement isn't just polite. Think of it as psychological first aid. The brain is always part of the customer experience. If you enjoyed this Neuro Nugget and you want more brain-based geekiness that will make you smarter every day, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss a single video.
Mind blown. And it's not a little better. It's much better.
Hashtag yes.